Hey guys, so the weather is like this right now. It's snowing and raining, and I've noticed that I had some moisture over here inside my trunk in Golf MK7. So I removed this piece of trim over here, and there was actually water over here. So there are two most common, maybe three most common things that you can check in your vehicle. First of all, if you have a sunroof, which I don't have over here, you should check the drains and service them regularly. Second thing that you need to check if you have Volkswagen with this kind of badge trunk lock is this piece, if it's in place. This is the drain from the badge, and if this falls inside, the water will accumulate inside the trunk, and next time you open the trunk, the water will fall down through those wiring tubes inside your trunk. And the third thing that you can check are those rubber hoses over here, and if it's installed properly, there's no way you can move it, and if it pops from the lock, you can actually move it upwards and it will leak water inside your vehicle. So you can check if the lock is intact. Maybe all you need to do is press it in place and wait for it to click. If you remove this trim, you can actually see it from here. And if it's damaged, you will need to replace this piece. So right now I'm going to try to push it in place. Okay, right now you can see that the lock is in place, and I cannot lift this upwards. So right now it will be sealed. I'm not sure why this happened. Maybe it's just a coincidence, or maybe I was doing something with the wiring and forgot to check it. But hopefully the water damage is not here yet, and this will be enough to prevent any kind of water from going inside the vehicle. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and see you soon.